Hey G Squad, welcome back to another episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, I got this cool, amazing product, and if you guys remember, I actually test a lot of products from this company already, ranging from Kowin to Mighty Rock and Meidong. Kowin is probably one of the best ones that I have to say in the market right now, even though they're all within the same company. But enough talking, let's actually open it up and show you guys what comes inside the package first before we talk about more detail about the product. Alright, so right off the bat, when you open the package, the first thing you get is this very, very nice case. The case is actually really, really good quality, right? There's actually a fold, if you guys can see that little curve of the actual product itself. So that's very, very unique. And then when we open the case itself, let's see what's inside. So if you guys can see, inside we have the headphones, we have some cards. Let me put it down so I actually don't drop it. They give you user guide and manual on how to use it and how to set it up and how to turn on and all that good stuff. They provide you a aux cord and a micro USB cord to actually charge it and listen to other music on your phone if you still have a headphone jack. If not, then it's still fine because it's Bluetooth. So here we have the actual product itself. The material right here is actually really, really nice and really, really soft. Let's look at the design though. Look at this thing. This thing is amazing. If you were able to feel this is even more amazing than it looks. So you have the little logo right there, the brand Kowin. And on the other side, it's very, very similar. But on the right side is where you actually control the volume and everything. This one is definitely already, it feels better and looks better than the Kowin E7. Kowin E8 is very similar to this, but I still have to give this one have the better design and better look to it compared to the E7, E8. And the cool part about this is the fact that when you get this product, you guys can actually get it in red, white, or black. Let me show you guys what else comes with it. So if you guys look on this side, we have the micro USB slot right there. If you guys look on this side, we have a headphone jack right there. We have a on and off switch. So you have an off switch in a Bluetooth mode and a noise cancellation mode on there, so you guys can see. And if you guys look really, really carefully right here, we have a little dot right here, which is the mic that you guys can use to actually talk to people. So that's pretty much it that comes inside the package. Now let's actually put it on and show you guys what it looks like. Alright, so if you guys can see, this is what it looks like when you put it on. So if you guys can see, very, very nice design, very nice look to it. The comfort of it is actually really, really nice. Like, these are definitely more comfortable already than the Kowin E7 and definitely more comfortable than the Kowin E8. And you guys remember, this costs cheaper than the E8, so that's very, very cool. So let's turn it on right now and see how the noise cancellation is. So first thing I noticed is that once you turn on the noise cancellation, it literally cancels the noise. Like, you don't hear any noise, but I can still hear myself talking to you right now, but I don't hear the noise. If you guys watch my video enough, you guys know that there's so much freaking traffic and I hate it when I'm actually recording these videos for you guys right now. But because I have this noise cancellation on, I don't hear any of that. I don't hear any cars going by right now. Like, I literally don't hear anything, and I don't even have music on yet. That's how well the noise cancellation is on this product. I have to say that this noise cancellation is probably better than the E7 and E8. Now let's actually play some music and see how well it performs. Wow, I have to say that I'm actually really, really amazed of how amazing the audio and how clear the audio and how clear the bass and how amazing the bass is. Like, let me actually let you guys hear right now. I wish you guys are able to actually put this on your ear and actually feel it and hear it, cause wow, I thought the Kowin E7 and E8 was really good already and it couldn't be beat, but damn, props to Kowin for actually making an amazing product that is even more comfortable and even more clear, and the bass is even more amazing than any of the ones I've tested so far. But now that we talked about all that, now let's actually talk about the price and whether or not it's actually worth it. So this product costs around $89.99. But if you guys want to get the red or white color, that one will be $95, which is really, really decent price because of what comes out of it. Like, you're not paying for a cheap product, okay? You're paying for a really amazing product. Look at that design. So pretty much to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it, you guys can see my reaction, you guys can hear what I'm saying. It is definitely worth it. Go get one of these products if you guys want to, because this is probably one of the best ones right now for the money. But other than that, that's pretty much it for this little unboxing and testing of the product. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I hope you guys get one as well. But make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace. And then for today's G Squad fan shout out day, we have